Hello, Topeka Collegiate. This is a short video to go over the requirement of masks and physical distancing as a part of our Eagles360 program. One thing you've probably noticed that this year with Eagles360, there's a number of things that are going to be different than in years past to help keep everybody healthy and safe and learning while they're at school. Masks and physical distancing are two critical parts of our Eagles360 program. The first question a lot of kids will ask is, why do we have to wear a mask? And the short answer is because a mask stops your germs from getting to others. So when you wear a mask, it communicates to other people that you care about them. Basically, your mask keeps me safe, and my mask will help keep you safe. So does it matter what type of mask you wear? Generally, no. A cloth mask or a disposable mask, either one is perfectly fine as long as it covers your mouth and your nose. It can have ties or it can have elastic straps. It can be made at home or it can be bought in a store. Any of these things are fine as long as you're wearing them. When do we have to wear our mask? Usually, the best answer is all the time. When you're at school, you will always have a mask on. Do you wear it in the classroom? Yes. In the hallway? Yes. At recess? Yes. We will provide each of you a lanyard so you can have that around your neck and keep your mask attached to you, so you will always have it with you. How many masks are you going to need each day when you come? Well, remember when you come to school to always have one on. Have a second one with you so that after lunch or after lunch recess, you'll put a second one on. And then if you stay for aftercare or an after-school adventure, you're going to need a third mask that you can put on after you have that snack. There will be some times that you won't have to wear your mask. So these would include if you're alone in a room, you can take your mask off. When your teacher tells you you can take your mask off, there's another time. When you come to lunch and you sit down and you're facing forward, you can then take your mask off and use your lanyard to keep it around your neck. And you can also take your mask off if there's a good space between you and other people. So what does it mean to have a good space between others? Some people call this social distancing. We call this physical distance. But a good space is generally about 6 feet. And why is this important? Well, again, when you wear a mask or you keep away or apart from other people, it keeps people safe. So you standing apart from your friends actually is a good thing to do because it helps keep them safe from your germs. So what is 6 feet? Well, a typical adult male is about 6 feet tall. Did you know that an eagle's wingspan of a typical adult is also 6 feet? So as eagles, we need to remember that when those eagles spread their wings and fly, they're about 6 feet wide. Let's try and stay apart from our other fellow eagles about the same distance. Another way of thinking about it is 2 shopping carts that are end to end, or 2 adults that have their arms outstretched and they're staying apart and not touching. That is also 6 feet. The best practice with your freedom with responsibility is keeping a physical distance from others. Think about keeping your arms outstretched and not touching your friends or your teachers. This is a good space. So thank you for always wearing your mask and keeping a good distance. Together, we're going to have a safe, healthy, and enjoyable school year.